Hello dear Zoom Auto family. Today, we're talking about a luxury sedan that has set the benchmark for decades. A name that instantly represents comfort, technology, and pure class. Yes family, this is the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. And honestly, Mercedes has done it again. This isn't just an update. This is a statement. A reminder of why the S-Class continues to rule the world of luxury sedans. Exterior design, presence, power, and elegance. The moment you lay eyes on the 2026 S-Class, the impact is immediate. The design is bolder, yet the elegance is still unmistakably Mercedes. The front grille is now larger and more sculpted, giving the car a confident, authoritative road presence. It doesn't shout. It commands respect. And those digital beam LED headlights. Pure futuristic energy. At night, they don't just illuminate the road. They give the S-Class a next-generation identity. This car doesn't follow trends. It creates them. The body proportions are smooth, the lines are clean, and aerodynamics have been refined even further. Whether it's gliding through city streets or cruising at highway speeds, the S-Class moves with absolute grace. This sedan doesn't rush. It floats. Performance and ride, effortless and intelligent now. Let's talk about how the S-Class moves, because luxury isn't just about looks. For 2026, Mercedes introduces a refined hybrid powertrain that delivers silky smooth acceleration while remaining impressively efficient. Power delivery is seamless, instant, and incredibly refined. You never feel the transition. You just feel motion. Ride quality? Exactly what you expect from an S-Class. Best in class. The updated AIRMATIC suspension reads the road ahead and adjusts in real time. Potholes, bumps, uneven surfaces. They simply disappear. Inside the cabin, everything stays calm, quiet, and perfectly stable. And for those who want more performance, the high-output variant delivers strong acceleration with surprising agility for a full-size luxury sedan. This car doesn't just move you forward, it isolates you from the world. Now, Zoom Auto family. Step inside, because this is where the S-Class truly separates itself from everything else. The interior of the 2026 S-Class feels less like a car and more like a private luxury lounge. The seats have been upgraded with advanced massage programs, improved heating and cooling, and intelligent posture support that adapts to how you sit. Long drives? Fatigue is basically eliminated. The materials are simply next level. Soft Nappa leather, real wood inlays, and premium metal accents surround you from every angle. Every surface feels handcrafted, precise, and purposeful. The ambient lighting system has been expanded with new colors and smooth animations that respond to driving modes and personal preferences. At night, the cabin feels calm, warm, and incredibly exclusive. Technology smarter than ever. At the heart of the interior sits the latest MBUX infotainment system. The massive central touchscreen is sharper, faster, and more intuitive than ever before. The system learns your habits, navigation routes, climate preferences, seating positions, and adapts automatically. The voice assistant feels natural. Just speak, and the car understands. One of the standout features is the augmented reality head-up display. Navigation arrows and safety alerts appear directly in your line of sight, almost like holograms floating ahead. It genuinely feels like stepping into the future. Rear passengers are treated like true VIPs. Individual entertainment screens, wireless charging, executive reclining seats, and exceptional legroom turn every journey into a first-class experience, even when you're not driving. The S-Class still pampers you. Safety, leading the industry when it comes to safety. Mercedes raises the bar once again. advanced driver assistance systems, emergency steering assist, lane centering, and enhanced collision avoidance work together seamlessly. And the highlight? Level 3 traffic jam pilot, allowing hands-off driving in specific conditions. Stressful commutes suddenly become calm. Controlled and relaxing. Final thoughts. Zoom Auto Family. But Zoom Auto Family, what truly makes the S-Class special isn't just the technology. It's the attention to detail. The soft closed doors. The precise click of every switch. The world-class sound insulation. This isn't just a car you drive. It's an experience you feel. So overall, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class is not just a luxury sedan. It's a sanctuary on wheels. Innovation, comfort, and performance come together in one flawless package. And if you want the very best, with zero compromise, the S-Class remains the undisputed king of luxury. What do you think about the new S-Class? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay part of the Zoom Auto family. Take care, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.